All right, guys, let's pull up Christopher's shop. Sorry to keep you waiting there, Chris. And let's see, we got Amicus Fire Pits, a smokeless fire pit by Amicus. All right, so Amicus Fire Pits. This is your first photo on this one. It's making smokeless fire affordable. Let's check it out. How does it make it smokeless? So this is kind of similar. I don't remember, but I've seen this product somewhere else. I don't remember what it is, but there's other. It looks like you kind of came up with the same thing and made your own version of it. So that's smart. That's really nice. Just got their Amicus, already built a surround. I like that photo because it gives you an idea of how this thing's going to actually look in your life. How are you going to make it nice looking? Here we got it going together. This one's all nice and blue. Does it stay blue? Blue and black. Double stacked. Wow. Super cool. Just an update. Awesome fire pit. Use it all the time. All right. I like that. Putting all the details in there. Smokeless fire pit is the friendly option. Amicus means friendly in Latin. My smokeless fire pit is planet friendly. Uses. Very nice. Oh, okay. So you got all the nice little details. No other one on the market. Okay. Awesome. So that is, looks really nice there. Let's check out this one here. Smokeless, low profile, easy C, fire pit, fire ring, campfire. So here's what I will say, Chris. Any changes I recommend. I wouldn't recommend changing anything on the listings you already have because it looks like these ones are already best sellers. And guys, if you have a product that's a bestseller or it's a product that's selling regularly, it's something that makes you money, don't make changes to that listing. That's already working, it's already selling. So if you want to change it, you want to try some new keywords, that's another good reason to duplicate your listing is you can try some new stuff without affecting a listing that's already working. So I wouldn't really recommend making changes to products that are already winners. And it looks like your versions here, Chris, are already working really well and performing good for you. So a few things I would recommend maybe getting a shop banner put together up here. And, that would just make your shop look a little bit, more warm and friendly. And you have such a cool product. You're literally selling fire. So who doesn't want to see that up there on the top? So all of your details here, I would put together some shop policies as well, explaining how you're going to handle refunds or returns or anything like that. If whatever your policy is, whether you do or you don't accept refunds or returns. And then on the listings here, we've got all these whiskey wine barrel lid. Oh, that looks like it was a great additional product. That wine barrel lid. I wish we still had that one because it definitely makes it a little bit more versatile to be able to use that. But let's check it out. First fire in the Amicus Easy C Smokeless Fire Pit. Very nice. And here's a photo of it on fire. Easy C. I don't know what the difference is between the Easy C. It's just shorter, I guess. I guess that's the main thing. Already built a surround. Honestly, these listings are all really nice because the details, there's lots of details. There's lots of photos showing off the different things. Let's look at the review photos here. Oops. Reviews are all really nice. That's a great photo. I like that one. It's got some wood in the background. Simple, good to see. So looking at your thumbnails here, I think maybe a few more, trying some different photo angles. If we go up and look up, smokeless fire pit, out of your listings here, that's the only listing, this one, that hits the keyword smokeless fire pit right away. And I would definitely duplicate this listing, and I would do a different photo as the thumbnail because I don't know that your thumbnail is necessary. Your logo is really the best thing to be showing off there. These ones where you've got the fire pit and some food on it are definitely much better. But we've got some. What are some other options here? This one, they've got a nice photo of the fire going on. Now that's cool. That's another product idea right there. If you could do some others with some wolves or like a custom name, you could probably sell that for a lot more money. But even just giving it a little bit more space around it and showing it on like some green grass or something would be nice. This is a nice photo. They just kind of zoomed out, gave a little bit more space around that one. And I think you've got some opportunities there by just trying to couple with some other photos like that. And you even have a bunch of great photos. Maybe the blue one I think is nice. You could try that as a photo, but I always like to see it actually lit. That's a really nice photo because they got a nice outdoor look. But yeah, that's the thing I would try is just a couple of different examples of your product there with some more photos because this one, that's a nice photo, but I think the one on your main listing, your logo there is not necessarily the best one there. Let's see, Eric, how does Etsy determine something bestseller? Let's see. This item has had a high sales volume over the past 6 months. So I don't know the exact science, but there we got an idea right there. Lots of sales over the course of 6 months makes you a bestseller. So